I literally don't even know what day it is anymore. Saturday? Sunday? Saturday? Saturday. No, Friday. Today is Friday and I want to give you guys a quick update. This video is actually sponsored by Follow Hollow. I'm so excited to be working with them. Oh my goodness. Hollow, they sent me all these super awesome socks. I've already worn these ones to the gym and I'm so obsessed with these ones. They're so pretty. They're like dark gray with like this purple color, but I figured this was like the perfect time to incorporate them into the video because we're packing for a trip and y'all know that I run at Disney. So super awesome. You guys notice that they do say that they are alpaca socks, which is so cool. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a little overview there. And I'm really excited to pack those to the gym today and I'm like so in love with them. They are just like, oh, they're so cute and they're so friggin' soft. But anyways, I'm bringing them with me to Disney, so I figured this was the perfect time to talk about them in the video. Thank you guys so much once again for sending these to me. I'm so excited. I was like, alpaca, I wonder why. Like, what's the thought? Apparently alpaca is like super hypoallergenic, which was great for me because I have super sensitive skin. Even like just my actual like skin, like sometimes like socks actually like irritate my skin. And alpaca apparently wicks moisture from your skin, which is super cool. So they don't really like sweat or smell or anything, which is awesome because when we go to Disney and we run and we do the races and whatnot, I hate having to pack like 20,000 pair of compression socks because it just takes up so much room in my suitcase. So I'm super excited to bring these with me and try them out and I'll let you guys know how I think about them. But I wore them to the gym for a run and I was so impressed with how great the quality was, and they didn't smell or anything. Even though my shoes stunk, they didn't smell. And is that TMI? Like my shoes stunk, I'm not gonna lie, but these didn't smell or anything. Like they still smell like brand new. I wish you could smell them. You can't, but I wish you could. And they wicked the moisture so well. Usually I sweat from my legs when I run, and so my socks are normally like soaking wet by the end of a long run, but they did not sweat at all. I'm super impressed with them, and I was like, you know what, I need to tell all my fellow runners, fellow athletes, or like just everyone out here about this. It's so cool. I never would have thought to like get alpaca socks, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, the great thing about them too is that sometimes I'm in a rush and I go from like work to school to the gym and stuff, and I can just like keep these on because they literally don't smell and they wick moisture. Like sometimes I can just go to the gym, put these on, go right to work and not even have to change my socks, and it's really awesome. So I really want to talk to you guys about that. I thought it fit the theme of this video because we're packing for a trip and running. Super excited about that. I'm really excited to bring these because now there's gonna be like way less luggage in my suitcase. Because I only have to bring 1 or 2 pairs. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of these, but normally I would bring 4 or 5 pairs of compression socks. That's how many socks I would go through, plus walking in the parks all day. So this will be awesome because I can run and then I can walk in the park all day and I don't have to worry about like changing my socks or anything, which is amazing. So super excited. Thank you once again. Thank you Follow Hollow for sponsoring today's video, and all their links down below for you guys to check out. So far, amazing. Love them so much. Highly recommend. Go check them out. Some trip essentials. I'll start with the stuff I got at Sephora. Love having travel size stuff. So this is my favorite moisturizer, so I just got a little travel size of it because I'm out. It's the Sephora Hyaluronic Acid All Day Hydrator. And then I got my favorite mascara, which is the Better Than Sex one. I just got it in a little travel size to bring with me. And then I got this Urban Decay long lasting makeup setting spray because Florida's warm and your girl's trying to look cute, so I got that to try out. And this is all from Walmart. The first time I'm checking a bag, so I'm able to bring like full size stuff with me, which is super nice. So this is my favorite conditioner, so I just got one to bring with me. Got a new toothbrush. I had to get a new toothbrush holder because putting toothbrush like not in a toothbrush holder just grosses me out, so I got a new one. I just got, this is the toothpaste I use. I just got a mini one, this little 2-pack of razors, shaving cream, and just my favorite makeup wipes, which are the Neutrogena ones, and it's the travel size. So that's all the stuff I got for traveling. Normally I don't always buy this every trip. Normally I have it stocked up, but I'm pretty much out of everything, so I had to go buy it all. So that's what I bought today, and I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I do something more exciting. Oh guys, it is finally Thursday. It's time to pack. I'm so excited. Ton to do today, but I took the day off work and we're gonna pack, and I'm so excited, and I want to get the majority of my stuff packed and my outfits all planned out, and then later on tonight I'll just like pack my makeup and stuff. But figured we'd do the majority of it now just because I'm very stressed and I want to tackle this now. So of course my camera's gonna die. I think I kind of explained to you guys that I have a free checked bag, so I'm gonna just bring a checked bag because why not? But my goal is to only fill up one side of it really. So the other day I just kind of shoved a bunch of stuff in here that I was gonna bring. But what I did was I obviously just have like a general packing list, but then I just have my outfits by the days to make it a bit easier, and that way when I'm packing I'm not so stressed. So I'm gonna just pull everything for every night before I put them in my suitcase and just kind of lay my outfits out and make sure I have everything. Messy because a lot of jeans and stuff I'm re-wearing, and then I'm also wearing the jeans that I'm bringing, but this is the first night we get here. We're going to Boardwalk for dinner, so I have on this dress and a jean jacket. Second day is our Epcot day, and I have my Arendelle ears and my shirt that says the wine never bothered me anyways, and I'll probably wear black jeans with that. Then Matt and I have matching shirts for Hollywood Studios. That's it. Olaf is my spirit animal, and I had white ears from Etsy ordered and sent to my parents in Florida so they'd come in on time, so I don't have those with me, but those are our shirts for Hollywood Studios. This is my Magic Kingdom outfit. The shirt's from Forever 21, and I'm just gonna wear my classic ears with my fanny pack and some black jeans or shorts, depending on the weather. The weather's really wonky right now there, so a lot of these outfits I'm just gonna bring jeans and shorts. And then this is my Animal Kingdom outfit, so I just have shorts and a black bodysuit and my ears. So it's gonna be just a lot. These are like the shirts I know for sure I'm wearing and the ears, but in terms of pants, I'm gonna mix and match. And if you guys are wondering, I have this cute little box with all of my ears in them, and then I just have this container, and this just has like all of my Disney shirts. And then I'm also obviously like I'm gonna bring a bathing suit. We never really end up swimming, but you never know. And then I'm just gonna bring these for PJ pants. They're from I think Old Navy, so I'm gonna bring those for PJ pants. So this is my backup shirt for Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna bring it. It doesn't go with those ears, but I do really want the plain black ears, and I don't know if they have them. I know they had them when we went for Wine and Dine, but I'm not sure about now. So I'm gonna bring this just in case because I do love this shirt, but we'll have to see. This, which is a Lake Buena visitor shirt, as my like I think I'm gonna wear this at the airport. So, and then I'm gonna start putting them in there with all my pants and stuff. Cubes off of Amazon for like $20. And then this is like a little wash bag. So these are amazing for, I love these for stuff like, I have all these packing cubes. I love these for things like socks and underwear and just small stuff you don't want to get kind of like misplaced. So there's a ton of different sized ones, and I love these so much for socks and underwear and all that kind of stuff. From here, if you guys are a girl, I look at all this and I think of what bras I'm gonna need to bring. So I know that those are dark, so I'm probably going on a black one, and that one I'll probably want a beige one or a white one, and that one I'll probably want a beige or a white one. So I'll probably pack a black bra, a beige bra, a white bra, and a sports bra. Totally depends on what kind of shoes you're bringing. I'm probably gonna bring my Converse, my Toms, and my Nikes and flip-flops. So I'm just bringing a few pairs of like ankle socks and then a pair of no-show socks, and I need to clean more no-show socks for my Converse. But yeah, that's my little pile of socks, and I'm just gonna put them into one of these cute little bags. For workout, I'm just bringing this pair of Lululemon shorts with me, and then this Run Disney shirt. And then, like I said, my Follow Hollow socks. I love these ones. And then I'm bringing these black and red ones. They don't match, but whatever. They're cute. That's my workout outfit for the trip. And it's starting to look very cluttered. Oh, I'm also going to bring this red chunky sweater because at night it does get a little cold. So that way, I don't know. I thought it'd be kind of cute to bring. So I'm bringing that. She's looking like a mess. Guys, so my plan is I normally just roll all my clothes. So now that I have my outfits all planned out, I'm just gonna roll my clothes all into my suitcase, and I guess we will just go from there. So like I said, it fills up pretty quick. Like I always think, oh, it's a big suitcase, but like look how much stuff I was able to fit in here. Crazy. So in terms of bags, everyone is different. Everyone has a preference. I really do like the Loungefly bags. Like I'll show you what I mean by that. Like a little backpack, kind of like that. I might buy the Olaf one when we're there, but I highly recommend a little backpack. Those are amazing, especially for Disney. But I have this Roots crossbody that I like to bring. I'm a really big snob and it needs to match my outfit, so I only wear those on days that I wear like black. But I also have this fanny pack, which I normally just wear to Magic Kingdom with these ears. Obviously, I make it a little outfit. This is from Loungefly. But I highly recommend having some kind of crossbody bag or whatnot. Huge tip I have for the parks is these little water bottles. These are just off of Amazon. I can link them down below for you guys. But they are just like foldable little water bottles. And these are literally amazing for the parks because water is like $5 there. And so I just bring these. I have one for me and one for Matt. But I thought that was good to have. Obviously, it's not going to fit in there, but like sometimes I can even get them to fit in my crossbody. So highly recommend those. I need to take a picture for my Instagram before I put all the rest of this away. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to put put the rest of this away, and then we are going to I'm probably gonna just like pack my makeup and stuff and just put stuff on the counter that I'm gonna need. That's the easiest way to do it. I don't really mind if my room is cluttered today a little bit. So what I do is I usually just pack my makeup in my makeup bag, and then tomorrow when I get ready for work, I'll just like take stuff out of my bag and whatnot, if that makes sense, and then put aside stuff I want to pack, go grab my shampoo and stuff. So yeah. In terms of like stuff I need to put in here, I need to get a Ziploc baggie actually for these, but this is stuff that's going in this little, what are these called? Packing cubes, and then my makeup and everything else and like toothbrush will go in the makeup bag, and I'm gonna put that in my backpack just because I don't want my makeup to get thrown around. So funny, but we've gone like totally reusable this year, so we don't have any Ziploc bags, so I'm just using a little grocery bag just to make sure that this stuff doesn't explode on the plane, and I'm snacking on some of this popcorn. I love to pack. Am I the only one that finds packing like really, I don't know, I just love to pack, guys. So in the top part, I just have a whole thing of bobby pins, and then just my makeup brushes, and then down here I literally have all my makeup, which I almost forgot my eyeshadow, but if you guys want to see, I don't know, let me know, but this is just all my makeup and stuff. So I leave this on my counter because I'm gonna get ready tomorrow morning, and then I'm just gonna take my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and you guys cannot, well, you can tell there's a lot of room left in it that here. These things are amazing. So I'm pretty much done packing for now. I'll kind of catch up with you guys after because I still need to like run a few errands and stuff, and then I won't pack my electronics and stuff till tonight because I have class and stuff to go to. But suitcase is all packed, and I will talk to you guys later on. Thing that I left unchecked, and also this is why I love the notes app on the iPhone, because you can see what you've checked off, like it doesn't disappear. Just pretty much my shoes. I need to go downstairs and find flip-flops, and my carry-on obviously. And yeah, so most of the stuff is done. Anything that's not done is this is stuff to buy, but I still need to just get some flip-flops and some Toms. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I bring in my little carry-on. So I usually wear this to the airport with a backpack. So obviously I bring my phone, duh, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this is just my change first, but this is my wallet, and I'm gonna bring that with me. I normally take everything out except for credit cards and ID and my pass holder thing, obviously. Hand sanitizer, a lip balm, this is an EOS one. This is my perfume, but I'm actually gonna stick this in with my makeup. My magic band. This is just the millennial pink one, and then this is my super cute passport holder. I can link it down below for you guys. I got it on Etsy. I'm obsessed with it, so I just have my passport in there. Traveling with a crossbody, it makes it so much easier to just like get stuff really quick, so I highly recommend traveling with one of those, or like a fanny pack or something. And then I have my gift cards, so I surprised Matt and I have 2 gift cards for us to eat around the world at Epcot when we get there for our first day. And then I personally put everything on gift cards because I think it's easy to budget. So this is just the gift card that has all of my half of the hotel on it, and then my gift card for food that has, I think, 500 on it. So that's everything that is coming with me into my bag. Forget if you're coming from a different country, or I guess if you're coming from the States, to take out American money to tip your driver of the Magical Express, which is the bus that brings you from the airport to Disney, as well as to tip your housekeepers. We tip $5 US a day for the housekeeping. So yeah, I almost forgot my American money, and that would have been bad. So put that in there. It's 6:30 now. We just finished up dinner and whatnot. I'm pretty much ready. I just need to like charge my laptop and stuff, but I have work to do, so I'll do that after. I'm gonna shower. I like to shower the day before a trip. I don't know why, I'm just like that and stuff, but mostly everything's packed. My purse is packed. I just went through my list again and everything is on it. So the last thing I have to do is pack my carry-on, which I'll show you guys after, but I want to give you guys an update that I'm pretty much good to go, except since I'm not filming this trip, which is going to be nice to take a break, I'm not bringing too much with me. I'm bringing my laptop, which is just currently charging. I make sure to charge it the night before, and then I'm bringing my hard drive because I do need to do some editing. Okay, I have not hopped on the AirPod trend yet, but these are for my phone. These ones are for my computer, my phone charger, and my Garmin charger, and this book that I'm going to bring to read tomorrow. So that's all I'm really bringing. I don't have a lot with me, but that's what's going to be going in my carry-on. In terms of like an airport outfit, I always try and keep it super comfy. So I'm just wearing a cardigan with some leggings and an oversized t-shirt and my Nikes. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much to Follow Hollow for sponsoring today's video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!